Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is covalent bond or molecular bond. The covalent bond was proposed by G.N. Lewis in 1916. The definition of a covalent bond. A covalent bond is formed by equal sharing of electron pairs from both the participating atoms. Here, each atom attains octet electronic configuration in their valency shell after the formation of a covalent bond. In covalent bond formation, the electron pairs are known as shared pairs or bonding pairs. Conditions for the formation of a covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms having electronegativity difference is less than 1.9. The covalent bond is formed between two similar atoms like halogen group elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen and nitrogen. When we observe closely here, these atoms are an examples for non-metals. That means the covalent bond is formed between the non-metal elements. Example for covalent molecules are hydrochloric acid, water molecule, methane, ammonia, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen and nitrogen. These are some examples for covalent molecules. Now we discuss the types of covalent bonds. Based on their sharing of electrons between the two atoms, the covalent bonds are classified into three types. They are single covalent bond, double covalent bond and a triple covalent bond. Now we discuss one by one. Single covalent bond. Definition. A single covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of one electron pair between both the participating atom. For example, formation of a fluorine molecule. The fluorine molecule formation is an example for single covalent bond. When we observe here, the fluorine contains 7 valence electrons in their outermost orbit. Here we can taking two different type of fluorine atoms. Each fluorine atom contains 7 electrons in their valence orbits. According to covalent bond definition, the mutual sharing of electron pairs between both the fluorine atoms and form a new bond. That bond is called a single covalent bond. After the formation of bond, we observe here these electron pair can influence the formation of a covalent bond. Each fluorine contains 8 electrons in their valency orbit after the formation of a covalent bond. When we observe here, this fluorine contains totally 8 electrons. And this fluorine may also contains totally 8 electrons after the formation of a bond. This is the example for single covalent bond molecule. Next, we discuss double covalent bond. Definition. A double covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of two electron pairs between both the participating atoms. Example for double covalent bond molecules are oxygen and ethylene. Now we discuss the formation of a oxygen molecule. Oxygen atom contains 6 electrons in their valence orbit. We can taking here two different oxygen atoms. Now the mutually sharing of two electron pairs. This is one electron pair and this is another electron pair. That means the mutually sharing of two electron pairs between two oxygen atom form two bonds. This is an example for double covalent bond molecule. After the formation of a double covalent bond between two oxygen atoms, each oxygen atom having 8 electrons in their orbit. When we observe here, this oxygen contains 8 electrons. Now, this oxygen may also contains 8 electrons after the formation of a covalent bond and attains octet configuration. After the formation of octet configuration, the formed oxygen molecule is more stable. Now we discuss triple covalent bond. Definition: a triple covalent bond is formed by mutually sharing of 3 electron pairs between both the participating atoms. Now we discuss the formation of a nitrogen molecule. When we observe here, the nitrogen contains 5 valency electrons in their outermost orbit. This nitrogen may also contains 5 valence electrons in their outermost orbit. Now, according to covalent bond definition, the mutually sharing of electron pairs. Here, the mutually sharing of 3 electron pairs between the 2 nitrogen atoms and form triple covalent bond. After the formation of a triple covalent bond, each nitrogen atom contains 8 electrons in their orbit. So, the nitrogen molecule is more stable because of attaining octet configuration. Similarly, this ethane molecule may also contains triple covalent bond and get more stability because of octet configuration. These are the types of covalent bonds. Thank you for watching this video.